Alright, so this is Kaylee doing a video reveal of her 381 prize. She just got to the candle and she can see the prize. It's about halfway down. So she's got her pair of tweezers and she blew out the candles and now she's digging it out. That's a big one. Wow! What is it?
It's a necklace and earrings is what it looks like.
Open it up. Do you need a paper towel? What is it?
A necklace and earrings.
Well, you got a matching set. You've got a red necklace and red earrings.
The earrings are hearts.
They're very, well, that's, what do you think? Are you going to wear them?
I think Ashley might.
Put them on, see what it looks
Okay.
like.
Just put candle on.
So, Kaylee, what do you think of your prize that you got from 381 Candles?
It's different. It's not what I expected.
Remember the other night when you were gone to Pages?
Did you really?
And you came home and your candle looked a little
really?
flatter on top?
Really?
So really, this video is a video for my candle group. And we all decided to play a practical joke on you since you won't let me touch your candle.
I said that you could take this one.
So here you go, guys. That's Kaylee's response.
Is this the ring that actually came in it?
No, that's the ring that I ordered from Phoebe.
Okay, where's the whatever came in it?
Oh, hold on a minute and I'll get you your necklace.